Hello everybody, my name is Fernando Gonzalez over here of Visalia Buick GMC. Today I'm going to show you why your next car needs to be a 2019 GMC Terrain SLT. As you can see, with the Terrain you're going to get the C-shaped LED lights, signature especially for the Terrain. You also get the fog lights. Under the hood you're going to get a 2.0 turbo with a 9-speed transmission, giving you great horsepower and smooth ride. With this you also get great fuel economy, which is really nice because even though you get the power, you don't lose that fuel economy, which is nice nowadays. On the wheels you'll notice it's a 19-inch wheel, machine aluminum. It's gonna have your blind spot and your change alert, which is really nice. You're also gonna get the rear cross traffic alert and also your parking assist, which is really nice because it helps you park and it indicates how close you are to the items behind you. You're also going to get a backup camera, making it easier for you to park or back up into anything else. You're going to get great cargo space and a hidden compartment just in case you want to put laptops, backpacks, or anything like that to keep it out of sight, out of mind. You're also going to get nice levers right here to put the seats down just in case you need more cargo space, which is really nice, easy, and convenient, giving you a really nice space. The Terrain also gives you more cargo space, giving you 8 feet of space just in case you need it for anything like 2x4s or gardening supplies, which is really cool. The new shifter they have going on, which is really nice, very futuristic, simple as pulling, pushing, pulling, and parking it. Simple, easy, makes shifting a lot faster, a lot quicker, and a lot smoother. And you have a very nice 8-inch infotainment center. Gives you visibility of everything. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so it makes it very cool, very easy. Thank you for taking your time and taking a look at a 2019 GMC SLT Terrain. Again, my name is Fernando over here of Visalia Buick GMC. Come on in, take it for a test drive.